DreamHost is giving away free professional web design when you sign up for their hosting services, but what does that actually look like? In this video, I'll walk you through DreamHost hosting plans, the sign up process, how to claim the free web design offer, and even show you the process on what the finished website looks like. I provide a link in the description below to DreamHost where you get a DreamHost discount. You get anywhere from 63% off up to 72% off over DreamHost monthly pricing, plus you get a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from DreamHost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome DreamHost discount. Let's dive in. DreamHost has been hosting websites since 1997, is officially recommended by WordPress, and currently powers over 1.5 million sites. They're known for reliable uptime, strong security, and affordable hosting. But their biggest selling point right now is the free web design offer. Let's quickly go through the hosting plan so you know what you're signing up for. Shared Starter Plan. This one's great for individuals or small projects. It comes with one website, a free domain name, a free SSL certificate, 50 gigabytes of SSD storage, unlimited traffic, email available as an add-on, one-click WordPress install, and of course, the free 4-page custom website. This plan starts at just $259 per month, billed annually. Shared Unlimited Plan. Best for growing businesses or anyone who needs multiple websites. You get unlimited websites, a free domain name, a free SSL certificate, unlimited SSD storage, unlimited traffic, email at your domain included, one-click WordPress install, plus a free 4-page custom website. This one starts at $395 per month, billed annually. So whether you're building just one site or multiple, both plans include that free professional design. The main difference is really the number of websites and email setup. To proceed, click the Get Started button anywhere on the page. You'll see the plans listed with options to choose monthly, 1 year, or 3-year billing terms. One thing to note about the monthly option, the discount rate only applies during the initial promotional period. After that, it renews at the regular price. Also, the monthly plan doesn't include a free domain, so for the best value and to get the free domain, I recommend going with the 1 year or 3-year term. Once you've selected your plan and term, click Sign Up Now. On the next page, you'll choose your domain. You'll see 3 options. Choose a domain later. DreamHost will assign a temporary domain, and you can pick your custom domain later from the dashboard. Register a new domain, type in the name you want, click Search, and if it's available, click Add. I already have a domain. Enter your existing domain from another register. Another great bonus, DreamHost includes free domain privacy, which protects your personal info from being publicly listed in the Whois database. Next, you'll see optional add-ons. These are completely optional, so feel free to uncheck anything you don't need. Then enter your payment details, credit, debit card, or PayPal, and fill in your billing info. Create your DreamHost account login details, review any additional options, and click Submit Order to complete your purchase. After purchase, DreamHost will email you a receipt, and remember, both plans come with that free 4-page custom website ready to launch once your account is set up. Here's how the free web design works. After signing up and logging in, you'll be here in the DreamHost dashboard. You'll see here Get a Head Start with a handcrafted starter website, free. You'll see the Get Started Now button. Click this. You'll then be taken to the free handcrafted starter website page. You'll see your info. You want to select a domain you want to use under the What domain would you like to use? Next, you'll see what best describes your business. From the drop-down, select the one that fits. Or if you don't see one, click Not Listed. Next, input your business name. You'll see where you can input your phone number if you'd like. This is optional and up to you whether you want to input this or not. Next, scroll down to the website info section. You'll see Tell us what you or your business does, what makes you great. Type in this information. You'll see Would you prefer a single page or multi-page site? From the drop-down, select the one you'd like. Or if you aren't sure, click I'm not sure. Next, you'll see What should we do with any existing content on your site? From the drop-down, you can choose to replace the content on my site and make the new version live, replace the content of my site but require a login, or create the new version on a temporary domain. Select the one you'd like. Next, put in any contact info you want displayed on your site. Next, scroll down to the website style section, select an accent color for your site. You'll see over to the right, you can upload your logo if you have one ready. You can add a logo at a later time in the editor. So if you don't have one now, you can skip this if you'd like. Next, scroll down to the additional info section and put anything you would like the DreamHost design team to know. This is optional, so you can leave it blank if there isn't anything you need to put here. Once done, click the Submit button. You'll now be taken to the Got It, Thanks page. You'll see the message your request has been received. Our team will review the information and you'll hear back from us via email within 1 to 2 days. Once work on your site has begun, you'll get an email. Once your website is ready, you'll get an email that your website is ready to explore. You'll see the link you can click to view your website. The email also provides you with next steps. To begin editing your website, just log back into the DreamHost dashboard. In the left side menu, click Websites. Click Manage Websites. You'll see your website showing here, which was designed for you. To log into the website editor, click the WordPress icon. You'll be taken to the WordPress dashboard for your site. To bring up the view of your site, hover over your site title name up at the top. Click Visit Site, and it'll bring up the view of your site that the DreamHost design team has created for you free. You'll see it's a clean, modern, fully responsive website that you can edit or expand on anytime. Click into the different pages to view what each page looks like. To make edits to your site, from the page you want to edit, click the Edit page in the top toolbar. It'll bring you to the editor for the page where you can easily click what you want to edit and begin editing. If you click the AI assistant at the top, you can then type in what you want to do and it'll help guide you on how to do that. You have full control on WordPress to add content, tweak the design, and make any changes you'd like. Now let's cover the pros and cons. Pros: free professional design saves you time and money. Hosting plus website bundled together. WordPress recommended host. Comes with a 4-page professional starter site, home, about, services, contact, and you can easily add unlimited pages yourself later. Cons: only available to new signups. Less creative control during the initial design process compared to DIY. So is DreamHost's free web design offer worth it? If you want a ready-to-go professional website without the learning curve, absolutely. The fact that you're getting hosting, a domain, and a custom-built site all in one package is a huge win. If you're more of a do-it-yourself type, you might not need it, but for beginners and busy business owners, it's hard to beat. If you're ready to check out DreamHost and claim your free website design, I'll leave a link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more web hosting reviews, and drop a comment. Would you rather have a free website built for you or design it yourself?